everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Niesman Team Tours with me, Jerryniesman of the Niesman Team at Keller Williams Realty. Be sure to click subscribe to stay on top of all things Southwest Florida. And if you're interested in buying, selling, or investing in real estate, feel free to reach out to me. My contact info is in the description below. And don't forget to ring that bell if you want to be notified when the next video drops.
Hey, thanks for checking out another one of our home tours. This is the Arthur model built by Beattie Development. Beattie is a custom home builder, so a little bit different than some of the other homes that you may have seen on our channel. Custom home builders typically do what they call on your lot building. So you purchase the lot separately and then they will build the home on it for you. So when you sign a contract and when you're talking prices, it is strictly for the construction of the home and does not include lot costs. So when we talk prices, that's not going to include the land. This is the Arthur model. Beautiful home. One of my favorite floor plans that I've seen from really any builder recently. It is just over 2,200 square foot, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths with an extra large 3-car garage, plus a huge bonus room. That bonus room is really one of the things that I love about this floor plan over many of the others. Base price on this home right now is running about $462,512, and to duplicate it the way you see it here in the model, you're looking at about $485,512. Again, that does not include the land. You would need to purchase your lot separately, and then we can talk to the builder about building on it. Those prices do, however, include a pool, screened pool enclosure and everything. Beattie includes a pool in all of their pricing. So anytime we're talking pricing with them, we're talking including a pool. They are full custom, so you can customize anything you want to your heart's desire. They've got floor plans ranging from 1,600 square feet all the way up to over 7,000 square feet. So ton of flexibility. And if you don't happen to see a floor plan you like that we can't customize it to your desires, we can draw one from scratch. So completely doable. They do pretty much whatever you want to do with this. They have homes ranging from the 380s and then all the way up into the millions. As I said, this one, to duplicate it, you're looking at about $462 base price, and then to duplicate it as you see in the model, $485. Tons of options and upgrades available to you to customize it however you want. Please keep in mind with new construction, anytime you're talking to any builder, no matter who it is, make sure you contact us first before you reach out. Don't go on their website and request information there. Don't call them. Definitely don't go into their model homes, because as soon as you reach out to them directly before we have introduced you, you forfeit your right. And none of the builders tell you this. This isn't just Beattie. This is every builder out there. None of them tell you, but you do give up your right to have us help represent you throughout the process. So please, please, please make sure you reach out to us first if you're thinking about going new construction. We will happily help you, make you all the introductions that you need to either Beattie or any of the other builders out there. We've worked with many of them, and we will work with any of them. So please let us know. We can help you with lending. If you need a construction loan, we've got connections with a number of different lenders for that as well. As anytime you're building with any of the custom builders, you would need a construction loan also. So if you have questions about building a new home, this is what we specialize in. Please, please, please reach out to us anywhere here in Southwest Florida. You know how to find us, and make sure you like and subscribe. Check out the videos of our other home tours, and ring the bell so that you get that notification when the new videos land. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.